here from Summit Racing again. Today we have Matt from Tuff Stuff Performance out of Cleveland, and we're going to talk about the Tuff Stuff Performance line here in a minute. But first, I want to hear a little bit about what you guys have going on up at Tuff Stuff.
Tuff Stuff is a Cleveland, Ohio-based company. We do all of our manufacturing right in Cleveland, Ohio. We also do all of our finishing in Ohio, and we provide many different products for the high-performance parts and accessories industry.
Okay, and I was checking out your revamped website earlier, and I know you have a lot of different things that customers could really use on your site. Some good technical information, fitment stuff, application stuff. Tell us about that.
Sure, we have we've added to our website the capability to look up products by make, model, and year, and engine, and also we've added instructions and dimensions. So if you want to check out our products and see how it's put together, you can do that.
Okay, I know that's at toughstuffperformance.com. Let's talk a little bit about the starters we have here today. We have the factory style versus the gear reduction. Tell us a little bit about each and maybe why you want to choose one over the other.
Sure. When choosing a starter, a lot of people like to go back to the OEM style, which is this example right here that we have. It's offset, but it's made to the manufacturer's specs. This particular model here is a 1.9 horsepower, and inside of it has the copper coils around the armature, and it has the capability to mount directly to the offset flywheel.
And then over here, the gear reduction. Now, why would somebody maybe want to go from that to this?
With some applications, especially the custom builds, the customers prefer a gear reduction, which is a smaller, has a higher gear reduction, which gives you the capability to turn, a racing cam or a vehicle that requires more horsepower and torque. We also offer in the gear reduction indexing, which it gives you the capability to move the starter in different directions to stay away from headers and other fitment issues.
Okay, so I know you guys typically recommend any time there is a modification, maybe made to an engine, a different cam, or what have you, maybe it's time to step up to that gear reduction style.
Right, this gear reduction, these all have permanent magnets inside the armature around it to help to give you the torque that you need when you need it.
And it's also sort of a clearance thing too, right? I mean, it's smaller, and you were saying you can clock the mounting.
That is correct. As you can see, the block itself has different holes where you can turn the starter away from headers and other stuff that's in the way, possibly.
Well, what are we looking at like finish-wise for each of these? There's a little bit different offering depending on what you choose. Correct?
Right. The OEM starters are typically, we offer them in chrome and black. Gear reduction starters are typically chrome and white zinc.
Okay. And as always, you can find Tuff Stuff Performance products, including their starters, and they have tons of different applications at summitracing.com.